brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an old, worn out, or clogged EGR valve with a new one from 1AAuto.com. We'll be working on this 2003 Honda Civic, pretty much the same for 2001 to 2005. You'll need a new EGR valve from 1AAuto.com, 12mm socket, ratchet extension, rag, razor blade, and a vacuum.
Locate your EGR valve on the passenger side of the engine. It's secured with two 12mm nuts on either side of the solenoid. Disconnect the electrical connector on the top of the solenoid. We're using a 1/4-inch drive socket, 12mm with an extension for a little bit more access. If your bolts are really stuck, you could get in there with a universal joint, a 3/8 drive if you need a little bit more torque, but this managed to break them loose for us. Your exhaust gas recirculation valve has these ports on the bottom, one for the intake and one for the exhaust. When combustion temperatures inside the engine cylinders get too high, it can cause the production of harmful emissions gases such as NOx. It can cause pre-ignition, which is when your air-fuel mixture sets off sooner than it's designed to. And pre-ignition can cause engine damage. Your EGR allows a small amount of exhaust gases into the intake tract to lower your combustion temperatures, keep the engine running smoothly, safely, and lower on emissions. Here we have our old part, and here we have our new part from 1AAuto.com. As you can see, we have the exact same mounting locations, the same 5-pin connectors, and the same exhaust and intake ports on the bottom of the valve. Our new part from 1A also comes with a new gasket. If your check engine light's on and your engine has EGR related exhaust codes, a new EGR valve from 1AAuto is going to bolt right in, direct fit, and fix you up right. If you have a bunch of debris built up behind your EGR valve, go ahead and get in there with a rag, wipe some of that up. Be sure not to let anything spill into the opening for your EGR ports. Use a razor blade or gasket scraper to remove the remaining material from the surface. To keep anything from falling into the ports, I'm going to put a vacuum cleaner close by. Lay your new EGR gasket into place. Easiest to put the rear bolt in, guide it in with your socket and ratchet, get the bolt started. Using a 12mm socket, line up the other bolt. Bring the bolts down tight. Reinstall your connector, and you're good to go.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope this video helped you out. Next time you need parts for your car, please visit 1AAuto.com. Also check out our other helpful how-to as well as diagnosis videos.